Introducing Insights AI, the fastest way to productize AI for your enterprise. Enterprises are racing to integrate AI, but siloed data, security concerns, and complex implementations slow them down. Insights AI by Turinton accelerates AI adoption securely, efficiently, and on your terms, helping organizations move from AI experimentation to AI productization. With just 4 easy steps, Insights AI helps enterprises onboard AI rapidly while ensuring customization for their unique business models and technology stacks. By bridging AI innovation with scalable engineering, it turns AI insights into fully operational enterprise solutions with just 4 easy steps. Onboard data, onboard users, build AI apps, track business KPI. The Discovery Agent intelligently identifies and connects enterprise data securely, whether structured or unstructured, across databases, files, applications, and ML models. By unifying fragmented data sources into a single AI-accessible layer, it lays the groundwork for scalable AI-driven applications and decision systems. Every enterprise has unique workflows and access requirements. Insights AI offers flexible user onboarding with role-based access (RBAC) to ensure secure, controlled interactions with AI applications, enabling seamless collaboration across departments and teams. AI should adapt to your business, not the other way around. With Insights AI, enterprises can quickly build AI-powered products and applications tailored to their specific needs. Whether it's automating workflows, enhancing predictive analytics, or building AI-driven decision support systems, Turinton's Insights AI ensures AI is not just an experiment, but a fully functional platform ready for enterprise deployment. The Observe Agent, powered by AI Model Farm, transforms raw enterprise data into actionable business insights by leveraging AI to automate KPI generation and tracking. By understanding data structures, correlations between data sources, and business processes, it ensures enterprises can effectively measure impact and drive scalable, proactive decision-making. Our AI Model Farm enables seamless onboarding of proprietary AI and ML models, allowing partners to enhance business insights, track KPIs, and detect anomalies with precision. Enterprises trust Insights AI to fast-track AI adoption, moving from AI experimentation to full-scale AI productization. Deliver AI-powered business applications, customized, scalable, and easy to integrate. Empower teams with self-service analytics, enabling business users to leverage AI without deep technical expertise.